I think last time that my roommate invited her friends home, and after 11 they are still making noises. Then I wake up early in the morning, and then I cutting the meats, the chicken wings, and when I cut it, they make some. When I chop it, then they make some noises. It is, I think it's not early. It's already 8 p.m., 8 a.m. So now these days, when my roommate wake up so early these days in the morning, about 7 to 8 a.m. And at that time I was sleeping. So when he makes so many noises that I can't sleep well. So it is the way that he is revenging on me making noises. So many different experiences that people will revenge on you. It's very, very interesting that I just don't understand people. I think in this world I can only understand my boyfriend, but I don't understand other people and what they like and what they don't like. I don't know. I think in the morning when I make noises in the morning at that night, I don't know. I'm not doing it to revenge on her, to just still making noises after 11 p.m. But it's just make noise. I just tried whether it will affect her. Then she is just making noises. I think she knows that it will disturb her, and she makes noises. I just don't understand other people, any people in the world. I only understand my boyfriend.